Join me as I dive into the world of virtual marketing careers and try to uncover the most unexpected job opportunities you never knew existed. The world of marketing is vast and exciting, with many roles that go beyond the traditional jobs you might be thinking of. Today, I'm here to uncover all about jobs related to virtual market. Many people think that marketing careers are limited to conventional roles like advertising, sales, and public relations. But that's not the case. The truth is, the marketing landscape has evolved significantly with the rise of digital technologies, and there's a whole array of niche job titles and opportunities out there. The challenge is, these roles aren't always easy to find information about, especially if you're new to the field or looking to transition into a new career. You're often left wondering what options are available and how to get started. Let's talk about some of these unique virtual marketing careers. You might have heard of roles like social media manager, content strategist, SEO specialist, and influencer marketing coordinator. A social media manager is responsible for creating and implementing a brand social media strategy, engaging with audiences, and monitoring trends. A content strategist develops content marketing plans to drive traffic and conversions. An SEO specialist optimizes website content to rank higher in search engines, while an influencer marketing coordinator connects brands with influencers who can promote their products or services. These roles are all critical to a brand's online presence and can be incredibly rewarding for the right person.